Hey everyone, want to organize your tabs in Microsoft Edge? If you regularly keep lots of websites open, Microsoft Edge offers several tools to help you stay organized, reduce clutter, and improve productivity. In this full guide, I'll show you how to organize tabs in Microsoft Edge in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch Microsoft Edge and open the websites you want to organize. The more tabs you have open, the more useful Edge's tab management features become. Next, drag and drop your tabs to place them in the order you prefer. You can also click an important tab and choose Pin tab to keep it at the beginning of the tab bar while using less space. Now organize related websites by creating tab groups. Right-click a tab, choose Add tab to new group, give the group a name and choose a color. Then add similar tabs to that group for easier organization. If you work with many tabs every day, try enabling vertical tabs. Moving your tabs to the left side of the browser makes long page titles easier to read and helps reduce clutter. For larger projects, create separate workspaces. You can keep work, school, shopping, research, and personal browsing in separate workspaces so everything stays organized and easy to find. Regularly review your open tabs and close the ones you no longer need. If you want to keep a website for later, save it as a favorite or add it to a collection instead of leaving it open indefinitely. For the best browsing experience, combine tab groups with vertical tabs, use workspaces for different projects, pin frequently used websites, and enable sync so your tabs and favorites stay available across all your devices. These simple habits can make Microsoft Edge much easier to manage. And that's how to organize tabs in Microsoft Edge in 2026. Whether you're studying, working, researching, or simply browsing the web, these built-in tools help keep your browser organized and your workflow more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.